What I do not recommend doing with a technical racing suit, and really do not do this, please don't do this. How do you dry off a tech suit between prelims and finals at a championship meet? Thanks for the question, Robin. This is a very difficult scenario if you're a competitive swimmer and you're training for an event that you have prelims and finals in the same day and you only have one championship race suit. So before I answer this question, I want to take a step back and I want to address something here. Why would you swim with a different suit in a competition than you would in training? Now, if you have a technical racing suit, this is something that you really only want to wear in a competition. They're a little bit tighter, they wear out, they feel really fast, and if you wear it too often, you're gonna, oh sorry guys, there's a fly, holy crap. Sorry about that. If you have a race that you're really preparing for, you want to wear a tech suit. If you have the means to afford one, that's great. If not, no worries, maybe this video is gonna be interesting regardless. So you have one suit. Ideally, you have two suits. You wear one in the morning, an older suit maybe, that's a little bit worn out, and you wear a new one in the afternoon session. But maybe that's not the case. Maybe you don't have two suits, you only have one, or you have multiple events, and there's a few hours between those events, and you wanna have a dry technical racing suit. What I recommend, obviously you wanna wash it out after your use, so take it off as soon as possible, and so you give yourself a little bit more time. So take off the suit, make sure you rinse it with cold water, get the pool chemicals out of there, get the chlorine out of there. This would be titled, maintenance of a tech suit here, but you get what I'm saying. You wanna make sure you dry it with a towel, but you don't wanna really stretch the material. So just kinda dab out the water and just let it hang there, but you're not gonna be able to dry it fully with a towel. The best you can do is get the surface level water off of it, but remember the suit is permeable, meaning water can go through the suit. So in the fibers of the suit, there's actually gonna be water droplets, water molecules, and you're not gonna be able to get that out unless you do a couple things. Here's one of them. Number one is you let it dry and you just hang it out there. So if you have, maybe you're in a hotel or at your house, you can just hang the suit, and after a few hours, if there's airflow, it should dry out completely. If that's not the case, you wanna move to plan B, and that means you grab a hair dryer. So if you don't have a vent of air conditioning or heat, that's okay. Make sure you grab a hair dryer, and you be very careful here because hair dryers are kind of dangerous, not really, but you wanna make sure you're drying the suit, and after a few minutes, you can do that. Here's another tip. You can actually use the hand dryer inside of a restroom, and you can just hold the suit up to that for a few minutes, and that'll get most of the water out of it. What I do not recommend doing with a technical racing suit, and really do not do this, please don't do this, put your suit in a suit dryer. This will destroy the wetsuit's longevity because it's basically stretching the material inside of the dryer. Remember, this thing is shaking the suit, it's spinning it around, and that's how it gets the water out of it. That will damage your swimsuit, so don't do that. Instead, follow tip 1 and 2, where you just let it hang to dry, or use a hair dryer or the blow dryer in the bathroom, whatever it takes to make sure you have a fresh suit for that final swim. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. I wanna know what hacks you have. Maybe I've been doing this wrong all along, but I wanna hear what you think. While you're down there, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and also subscribe to the main MySwimPro channel. That's where we have Whiteboard Wednesdays and all sorts of fun swimming videos to help you improve your performance and health both in and out of the water. Thanks again for watching, and happy swimming. Peace.